But then we can have like maybe an orangutan, right? If we get an orangutan on the back of a truck, and maybe if we throw tennis balls and the orangutan can jump, and maybe it's the sound of the orangutan landing. No? No. Right, no orangutans. What about if we have maybe a school choir, and what happens is we put milk on the floor and all the kids run in and they fall over and no, because they'll get hurt, won't they? What about if we've got loads of toothpicks and we put them on the floor and it's the sound of someone rifling through them? What about that? That'd be a great sound. What do you think?
Will you shut up?
What's wrong with these lights?
I've done it.
What?
I've just been doing it.
Done what?
The sound on the hearing test.
What do you mean? What?
The sound on the hearing test is not orangutans. No, it's nothing to do with anything like that.
All right. What?
The reason that your lights are wonky is I've taken the fuse out of the fuse box.
Ah.
So that's me. What I was doing was I was dropping the fuse on the table. That's it. Hey, that's it. Simple.
That might just work.
You better put that back in.
All right.
And also, you might need to put 50p in the meter. What a clown.